How to download Valorant on PC and laptop. So if you want to download Valorant on your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your browser. Now on your browser, you just need simply go with playvalorant.com, and after that you'll have this kind of interface. But you also have the other way. If you have Epic Games Launcher, then you can simply open up the Epic Games Launcher. Just wait for a few seconds, sign into your Epic Games, and then search for Valorant on your Epic Games, and you will have the download option. You can download it from your Epic Games. But if you're under your Riot Games, then you just need to simply click on play for free. And here you need to choose your platform. So I'll choose PC. And then if you don't have a Riot account, you can go with make one and then create your account. But if you already have an account, you can go with sign in and then sign into your Riot account. Enter your username, your password, and then go with sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll have this kind of interface. Now just simply go with download, which is here on the left side. Once you click on download here on the top right, you will have this kind of interface. Just click on it and then go with download unverified file. And it will start the downloading process. So we'll just wait for a few seconds till it downloads. And once it's downloaded, you can just click on the file and it will ask you if you want to install the Valorant on your device or not. Once you go with yes, install, then it will be installed. So that's how you can download Valorant on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.